You probably use over 2.5 odd match results on their own but still get low odds. In this video, I'll show you how to combine match results with over 2.5 to boost your odds and increase your chances of winning big. So you'll be focusing on the Bundesliga, and I'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Dortmund vs Pauli. So checking the last 5 matches, you can see that on September 8, 2015, 3 goals were scored in total. Dortmund scored 2 young. So guys, the market of which we'll be focusing on right now is the match result. So we'll be saying Dortmund to win. So here you can see that our market did work because Dortmund did win the match. So living on the next match on July 14, 2016, we can see that Dortmund did win the match again. So it shows us that our strategy is working. Our strategy did work here. Dortmund scored 3 goals. So guys, moving on next match, you can on January 18, 2022, Dortmund did not win the match, but I needed to win the match 2-1. So I'm not going to work here, but that not play low. And moving on the next match, October 18, 2024, you can see that Dortmund did win the match, guys. Dortmund did win the match. Our market did work here. Our market did work. Revealed on the next match, March 1, 2025. You can see that Dortmund did win the match 2-0. So, guys, as we are analyzing, you can see that our strategy did work 4 times. That shows us that our market works and we could have a higher chance of winning our bet if we use that bet. So right now the focus will be on the over 2.5 market, and we'll be comparing, we'll be making one example using the following teams, which are Leipzig vs Bayern match. So children, my last 5 matches, you can see that on August 12, 2023, Bayern did lose the match. 3 goals were scored in total by Leipzig. So guys, our strategy did work here because, as I said, we are focusing on the over 2.5 and 3 goals were scored in total in this match. So guys, moving on the next match, September 30, 2023, you can see that 4 goals were scored in total and our market did work. Our market did work here. Moving on the next match on February 24, 2024, 3 goals were scored in total. So you can see that our market did work here. Our market did work again. Seems like this market is working. It's been working 3 times in a row. So moving on to the next match, December 20, 2024, we can see that 6 goals were scored in total. 6 goals were scored in total, guys. And our market did work because obviously I used to the over 2.5. Guys, this market is working, guys. It's working. Moving on in next month on May 3rd, 2025, you can see that 6 goals were scored in total and our market did work. Like 6 goals, but it's over 2.5. Our market did work here, guys. So guys, as we are analyzing, right, you can see that our market did work 5 times in a row. 5 times in a row, like 5 times, guys, 5 times. So this shows us that you have a high chance of winning our bet if you take that kind of bet. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.